Okay, so woke up this morning to having no water. We are on a well out here in the country, so we don't have city water. So all we have is a pump in the ground that uses electricity to pump water up through the ground, through a pipe, into the little well house there, which has a tank that holds some water in it, and then also has the pipes and the filter and all that stuff that the water runs through before it comes to the house. So it has to have electricity to work. So first thing I do is come out here to the fuse box, the panel box here, and I check all my breakers, and all the breakers are good. There's also some breakers in the shop there where we keep all of our tools and holiday decorations and all of the breakers in there were good. So we should have electricity running to everything, but there's some other issue. So I come out here to this thing out here. So this is the pipe that runs out into the ground and goes to the pump that pumps the water to this tank. And then this tank here has a little pressure gauge, and when it drops down below a certain point, this device sends electricity down here, out here to the pump, and tells the pump to kick on when we need water to fill this up to go to the house or to go to the pond, because I'm also filling up the pond with some water now, which is that valve there. And there's the filter and the pipe that runs down into the ground and goes to the house. So we had no water. So the tank was empty and this was sitting down here on 0. So we should have had water in here, but we didn't, which means the pump wasn't working. So first thing I did was just come out here to this guy. Bunch of wires. So this is what, again, tells the pump to kick on and off when we need water. So I undid this little nut here. Took this cap off, and there's some wires in here. I'm sure you could probably take a tester, a voltage meter or something, and check these and make sure you have power going to these and try to figure out where you don't have power. But this is 7 o'clock in the morning. I'd just woken up to no water, and I was just looking. So all I did was take this cap and I tapped on this like this. I saw a spark from this positive wire right here. So I'm assuming either there wasn't a good connection there, or something had I don't know, locked up. I don't think there's any contact points in there, but there was something there that wasn't doing correctly, that wasn't kicking on. So all I did was knock it around a few seconds. It sparked and it came on, and it's been working ever since, and that was probably 3 or 4 hours ago. So hopefully that's all there was to it. So that's something that you can check instead of calling out a well company who's going to charge you a few $100. Come out here and look at everything. Just kind of search, work on your breakers first, and then go in there and look at stuff. And sometimes just looking at things and tapping around and investigating, you'll fix the problem, which we did. Peace.